Happy birthday, Vivian. Happy birthday, Vivian. Happy birthday, Vivian. Yes, we have of her a candle, and yeah, I just wish for her everything. Like I wish for her a good life, good years, and every years to blessing and healthy and happiness and a nice time to her to get. So I wish that. Then yeah, I candle my candle and done. It's so nice birthday. My daughter's birthday. I celebrate by myself here. It's so nice, so beautiful.